Hi everyone, welcome to my Medicinal Notes YouTube channel. I am here with the topic shock. Always a essay type of question is asked in this. What is the different types of shock and drugs used in the different types of shock? What does a shock mean? Generally, it is an unpleasant surprise. But medically, a shock means an insufficient blood flow to a tissue. Why does a blood flow is insufficient to some of the organs? Because of some circulatory problems. There are 5 types of shock: hypovolemic shock, anaphylactic shock, cardiogenic shock, neurogenic shock, and septic shock. Diagnosis of shock based on the symptoms, physical examination, and laboratory tests. Treatment: in every type of shock, there should be an open airway and a breathing should be established first. It was a first treatment in every type of shock. Hypovolemic shock. It is caused by insufficient circulatory volume. If the circulatory volume is less, this shock is caused. It can be caused by 2 reasons: hemorrhagic and loss of fluids. Hemorrhagic, external and internal. In some accident cases, like external bleeding may happen or internal bleeding may happen. This is a hemorrhagic. Fluid loss: nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, burn, diabetes insipidus, diabetic ketosis. In diarrhea, it results in dehydration. Diabetes insipidus, more urination, which results in dehydration. These all reduces the circulatory volume. So, the shock is caused. Symptoms for the shock: hypotension, weak pulse, shallow respiration, dry mouth, thirst because of loss of water, low urine because of loss of water, output, cold extremities, hypothermia, renal failure, unconsciousness, cardiac arrest, and results in death sometimes. Treatment: first, ongoing bleeding should be stopped. In the cause hemorrhagic type of cause, the ongoing bleeding, first the bleeding should be stopped. Then the plasma volume, because of the less fluid, the plasma volume expanders are used. It is very useful to replace the lost fluid. Types of volume expander: crystalloid. They contain electrolyte and non-electrolyte like glucose, capable of entering interstitial cell space and tissue fluid, which maintains the loss of fluid. Lactate ringer solution. It contains less amount of chloride than the normal saline. Therefore, it does not produce hypochloremia and metabolic acidosis. Colloidal solution. They are insoluble and high molecular substance, boost the plasma volume by increasing osmotic pressure. Some of the colloidal substances are dextran. It is obtained from the beetroot sugar. Its molecular weight is 40,000 to 70,000 are available. Normally 70,000 is used in the IV, intravenously. Degraded gelatin polymer or polygelatin. It is a synthetic polymer of molecular weight 3000. It does not affect the blood grouping or clotting process. Polyvinyl pyrrolidone. Polyvinyl rolindone, PVP. Synthetic polymer, molecular weight of 40,000. It contains interfere with the blood grouping and cross-matching. PVP plus iodine, povidone iodine. Note, due to the more side effect produced by the colloid, the crystal colloid are used. The colloidal solution, this is a colloidal solution which interfere the blood grouping and cross-matching. It is a disadvantage, it is a drawback. Due to this drawback, mostly crystalloids are used, like lactate ringer solution, and crystalline like normal electrolyte and non-electrolyte solution are used. Blood transfusion. The whole blood or fresh frozen plasma can be given for compensating the blood loss. Vasopressor. If they raise the BP by vasoconstriction. They constrict the blood vessels and this causes the rise of BP. When the IV fluids does not raise the BP. Some of the vasopressor are dopamine, dobutamine. Cause. Cardiogenic shock. Cardio means heart. Genic means origin. It is a type of circulatory shock. Heart is unable to supply enough blood to the vital organs. There is insufficient blood and oxygen supply to the tissue. When a heart doesn't supply enough blood to some of the organs, this causes cardiogenic shock. The word cardiogenic means heart, genic means origin. It is originated from heart. So, it is cardiogenic shock. Cause. Acute myocardial infarction, cardiac arrhythmia, CHF, pulmonary embolism, damage to heart valves. Treatment. Treatment is given according to the cause if the BP is low. Vasopressor, dopamine, dobutamine, noradrenaline to raise the BP. It is very useful. Anaphylactic shock. It is a separate short note. I will provide you in another video, but I will explain this. A severe, potentially life-threatening allergic condition. This reaction may occur within seconds by antigen and antibody reaction and acute hypersensitivity reaction. It is an allergic reaction. In this condition, it is an allergic reaction. Penicillin, lignocaine, anti-Shira, dexatran, and etc. Neurogenic shock. Injury to spinal cord. Symptoms: loss of sensation, loss of muscle function, hypotension, ANS function are affected. ANS function means like digestion, urination. Loss of sensation and loss of muscle function. Some of the nerves are erased from the spinal cord. Most of the nerves are erased from the spinal cord, which supplies the muscles of the limbs. So the loss of muscle function is affected. Treatment: IV fluid, saline, ringer lactate solution, vasopressor drug, dopamine, dobutamine, noradrenaline. Vasopressor drug are most useful to correct the hypotension. In most of the cases, in most of the shock, the hypotension is a major cause. A similar thing between all the shocks is a hypotension. Septic shock. It is a life-threatening condition, a widespread of infection causing organ failure and dangerously low blood pressure. Septic shock is caused by severe localized and requires an immediate medical action. Treatment: antibiotic according to the blood culture, fluid replacement IV, vasopressor drug to raise the BP. Symptoms: high fever, hypotension, tachycardia, increase in respiratory rate. Thank you. For more videos, please do comment.